Hold on, start again.
It's July 24th. Little JoJo is almost 5 months old, and we're going to try having her first solid food. First, we have to see if you can sit up in the high chair. You look very small. You look very small in there. Are you ready? Oh, good. That's
Hey,
good.
that's a
Getting
good start,
ready.
huh?
Way to get ready. I'm going to take your picture. JoJo's. Look at Mama. Okay, are you ready? We're having some pears and rice cereal. Here we go. How many bites? Look at the face. Come on over. Ready? What do you think? What do you think? Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Not too sure?
Enough.
Not too sure? Not a fan of pears?
Give me a second here. Just give me a second.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.